How to clean your washing machine all naturally. Have you ever wondered why your washing machine smelled funny or if you should be cleaning it? If you haven't ever wondered about cleaning this hard-working appliance, you should. You'll have fresh-smelling clothing and an odor-free washing machine if you include these simple steps to your laundry routine. Instructions for top-load machines. All you need to clean your top-loading washing machine is some white vinegar and some cleaning rags. To begin, set your washer to the maximum temperature, capacity, and longest cycle. Pour 4 cups of white vinegar into the hot water, cover, and let it sit for a few minutes to agitate. Allow an hour for the vinegar to do its work of removing germs, mold, mildew, in the hoses of your machine by opening the lid or pausing the machine. If your washing machine is really filthy, you may repeat the process after running a full cycle with the vinegar solution. The vinegar works well for eliminating any buildup, as well as dissolving any soap scum or other residue in the washer and hoses. Allow several minutes for your machine to agitate the fluid before opening the top. It's time to clean the outside of the washer, as well as the fabric softener and bleach reservoirs, while this solution sits for an hour. Wring out a cleaning towel or microfiber cloth after dipping it in the vinegar solution. Wipe off the outside, lid, and control panel, being careful not to make it wet. Remove the bleach reservoir and clean the region where scum and gunk tend to accumulate. Remove the softener reservoir from the machine and clean both the outside and interior with your cloth. Close the lid and allow the washer to complete its cycle. Instructions for high efficiency, front load or high efficiency, top load. Front load washing machines have swiftly acquired appeal due to their efficiency and cleaning capabilities. Despite all of its perks, there is one recurrent issue that appears to torment owners: smelly clothes. Wiping down the inside of the washer with cleanser, adding more detergent, or running everything on the longest, hottest cycle will not help dispel the odor. High-efficiency washing machines utilize less water and energy, which can lead to more mildew, mold, detergent residue, and build-up in your washer. Here is the best way to clean your front-loading washer. Choose the hot water option. If your machine lacks a hot water setting, use a white or stain cycle setting. If your washer offers the option, choose extra rinse. Fill the bleach dispenser with 3/4 cup white vinegar or 3/4 cup non-chlorinated bleach. Do not use both. Allow the cycle to run until it finishes. If your washer does not offer a second rinse cycle option, manually pick an additional rinse cycle to verify that no vinegar remains in the machine. After you've completed cleaning the washers inside, spend a few minutes to clean the bleach and fabric softener dispensers. These may be readily cleaned by removing them and rinsing them in warm, soapy water to remove any residue, or by wiping them down with a cleaning cloth and white vinegar. Before reinserting them, carefully rinse and dry them. Take care to clean the rubber seal on the door, since it is a favorite hiding place for mold and mildew. Pull back the rubber gasket carefully and look for mold and mildew. Wipe the area down gently with white vinegar and a soft cleaning cloth. To avoid moisture buildup, rinse with a wet towel and thoroughly dry with a clean cloth. Use a light all-purpose cleaning spray to wash down the outside and control panel to eliminate any dust and grime accumulation. It's simple to keep your washer clean and get rid of smelly clothing. Keep the door open between loads to minimize moisture buildup, and clean it inside and out once a month. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.